What's up guys? Ryan here from RPS Dent Specialist, here with a super rare PETTY'S Garage Mustang. And you see me wearing this mask. It is the year of the 2020 pandemic. So we are wearing masks for their safety and our safety. Stay with me with this repair. Should be cool. Really nasty dent, but I think we're gonna be able to get it. And I'll tell you the factors when we get into the repair. Keep watching. Now we are decontaminating the vehicle before and after the repair, since we are in that 2020 COVID. So what I'm starting to use for this dent is this tool from Dent Technologies called the Money. I call it the money maker, and I just manually push. I'm going to be taping this tip up to make the pushes, and I'm using the paddle from Scott Grimes and Edgy Tools with the Dead on Dent Tools Pee-wee tip. So follow me through the repair. Just wanted to give you a heads up on what tools I'm using to do this repair, and let's get this thing taken care of. So the dent's coming out pretty good. I do have this nice kind of hard line from the edge. And what I'm using is the VIP tip. I really like using this because it kind of leaves a line instead of a dent. You know, when you hit that edge, it'll divot it a little bit. But this tool is excellent for that. So I'm just trying to get this edge down a little bit. I am gonna have to wet sand it, just because obviously I did prick it up a little bit. From me having to hand push it. So check it out. You can kind of see, you know, we got a little bit of lows throughout here, but it's definitely coming out pretty well. Pretty happy with the repair so far. My biggest worry is this hard line, because you do see it when the hood's down. So I'm gonna keep working it, put some more heat on it, and see what we get. Stay with me on this one. So this repair has been a little challenging with obviously the access. The hardest part's been this front edge, getting that edge to lay down nicely without divoting it. I did end up wet sanding and buffing it, getting this edge flat. The dent came out super clean. I am just ecstatic with the repair on this. It was a little challenging because there was multiple impact points and the location. It's very thin here. It looks amazing. I'm just so happy with the repair. The customer is going to be ecstatic with it. I take situations like this with rare cars and really take them to the heart and enjoy working on them, just because they're not everyday cars that you get to work on. So, and this one's a little more special with it being a Warrior edition, and one of the vets, you know, own it, and it's super special repair, and I'm just happy that I had this opportunity to do this repair. So if you guys need any dent repair, ding repair, or hail repair, go to rpsdentrepair.com, fill out the estimate report, or just call or text. It's that easy. Thanks for joining me throughout this repair, and see you on the next one. See you guys. Keep it real. Bye-bye.